Another option for regenerative medicine is using different types of nanoparticles or vesicles, which are little webs that come off of cells that are very important in our body. We can harness these cells and utilize them to provide multiple different factors to help the body heal. These vesicles have growth factors, cytokines, chemokines, and hyaluronic acid, which are all meant to decrease inflammation, reprogram the cell, allow it to function at a better way. This allows for increased blood flow and sometimes blood vessel growth. It has antifibrotic properties, so less scar tissue. It can help differentiate cells and also proliferate cells, which really means we're bringing in more cellular structures to help a damaged area recover and improve. There's also immune boosting functions to these properties, and we have been using these properties or these types of products during this pandemic. There have been multiple studies going on across the country and the world to show effectiveness and efficacy utilizing these types of products to help improve immune function, get the body triggered to fight harder and against different types of conditions and decrease inflammation. Now this can be used as an IV formulation, and we could do an IV infusion. It's a simple IV placement, and the product gets infused over 5 to 15 minutes. We could also use it as an injection. So instead of a cortisone injection or a steroid injection, or sometimes even potentially to avoid surgery, this is another option that has been shown to work well to improve functionality and get people feeling better all around. Are there any side effects? Good one. So in general, anytime we inject plasma, it's your own blood. So most of the time it doesn't cause a bad inflammatory response, but sometimes you can get a little bit of inflammation because we're introducing plasma into a body part that may not have it usually. And that inflammation can be a little tender, it can be painful. That usually resolves in a few days, and you're able to regain functionality and hopefully get the type of response we're looking for, which should get you the type of improved function that we had aimed for to begin with. As far as the other regenerative medicine technique, are there any side effects? For the most part, we haven't seen a lot of side effects. The nice thing of using this specific type of product, it doesn't have any DNA in it, and that is usually what triggers an inflammatory or immune response with other types of products. We specifically like this one because it has microRNA and not DNA, which means that the body will not reject it, body will not go after it and cause a big inflammatory response. So I think that's a big plus for how we have been able to avoid those types of conditions or concerns that we usually have with other products. Is it safe? It is. PRP and the regenerative techniques are safe. They are not FDA approved. However, they are not FDA approved, which means that we still need to do a lot of science and studies to get the FDA to approve it. That being said, it is an off-label, meaning that it is not approved for by the FDA to use in these certain capacities. But we have literature that does show that it works and it is helpful, and we can talk more about that when you come in for a consult. Where to get the treatment? So we here at Shakthi Health and Wellness Center are available to provide you these treatments. We can have you come in and talk about if you're a good candidate for them. And we are located in Elkridge and Mount Airy, as well as Rockville. We're happy to treat you in any of those locations. Feel free to check out our website, and we look forward to meeting with you soon.